Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase audience reach with YouTube. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your audience reach on YouTube, start by optimizing your video titles. Craft titles that are engaging and include relevant keywords. Next, focus on your video descriptions. Use the first few lines to summarize your content clearly and include key phrases that resonate with your target audience. Tags help YouTube understand the video's context and connect it to potential viewers. Next, consider your thumbnail. Create eye-catching thumbnails that stand out in search results and suggested videos. Make sure your thumbnail accurately represents the content of the video. After that, improve engagement by encouraging viewers to comment. Ask specific questions in your video to spark conversations. Now, let's talk about your video length. Aim for videos that hold attention without unnecessary filler. Aim for between 10 to 15 minutes for average watch time. Next, engage with your audience. Respond to comments to build a community and encourage repeat views. Utilize YouTube analytics to track performance. Identify which videos perform well and what topics resonate with your audience. Experiment with different content styles based on analytic feedback. Another effective method is collaborating with other creators. Partnering can expose your channel to new audiences. Finally, promote your videos on other social media platforms. Share your content on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to diversify your reach. Once you implement these strategies, consistently monitor your progress and adjust as needed. By applying these steps, you'll effectively, if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.